Hey everybody, today I'll be filming a tutorial on how to make homemade guacamole. The ingredients you will need are 3 avocados, 1 jalapeno, 2 limes, 1 red onion, 10 to 12 stems of cilantro, and salt. To start off, slice the avocados in half, discarding of the skin and the seed. Don't mind any dark spots in the avocado. That will go away once the guacamole is mixed all together. It's just from the avocados being extremely ripe. Once the avocados are added to the bowl, you can smash it down with a spoon like I did or use a potato smasher. It'll take a good 5 minutes at least to get all the lumps and lumps out of the avocados. If you have any hard pieces in your avocados, you can choose to just take it out and eat it, or you can leave it in. It doesn't really matter. Once the avocados are mashed, dice up 1/3 of a red onion, the 1 jalapeno, and the 10 to 12 sprigs of cilantro. If you don't like spiciness, you could leave out the jalapeno. If you love spiciness a lot, you could add 2 jalapenos. And if you just want a little bit of spiciness, you can leave out some of the seeds of the 1 jalapeno so it's not as spicy. When chopping up my cilantro, I fold it over around 3 times and chop it vertically and horizontally so that it's finely chopped, and this is what it should look like. Once all of the vegetables are chopped up, stir everything together, and now it's time for limes. I ended up adding 1.5 lime, and it was the perfect amount for me. But if you aren't a lime person like that, you can just add 1 lime. If you love lime a lot, you can add the whole 2 limes. A trick I use when juicing my limes using a lemon squeezer is I cut the inside of the lime into fourths because this helps to squeeze out the juice. Once all the vegetables and the lime juice are added, stir everything together, and now it's time for salt. I add a little bit at a time and taste, and then add more. Be very lenient with the salt because if you go too overboard, and then if you eat it with like tortilla chips or something, it's going to be too salty. This is what your guacamole should look like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.